Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to explore the MTO Route in Odoo, a powerful tool that allows businesses to streamline their supply chain by linking sales directly to procurement or production. So with the MTO Route, products are only ordered or manufactured when a sale order is confirmed, minimizing stock levels and optimizing resource utilization. Whether you are managing purchases, manufacturing, or both, this feature ensures a seamless flow from customer demand to order fulfillment. So let's dive in and see how the MTO route works in Odoo. So here, first I have to show you where to find the MTO route. So if I go to Inventory, Configuration, we will have here routes. So if you can't find the MTO route, you go just to the archived one and unarchived it. It's probably just archived. So if I go back to my products, so here in this products under the inventory tab, I've checked the replenish on order, MTO, and buy route. So to replenish on order and buy this product and create a purchase order, of course. And here we have to fill in the vendor. So basically when filling the vendor, when the purchase order will be created, it will be created in the name of this vendor. So here we have the quantity, the price, and the delivery delay time if we have one. And we can of course have as many vendors as we want, but Odoo we always take the first one on the list. So now if we see the on-hand quantity, you can see that we have 10 quantity on hands. What we are going to do, we are going to create a quotation for one of our customers with a demand of 15 units. So basically we have 10 and Odoo should create a purchase order with the remaining quantity, which is 5. If I go to the quotation and create a new quotation for one of my customers with my products, the cabinet with door MTO routes, and here the quantity is 15. So if I go ahead and confirm, you can see here a delivery order created, but the product's availability is not available because we don't have this quantity on hand. If I go back to the sale order, you can see that Odoo created a purchase order automatically, and in this purchase order you can see here that he ordered 5 quantity from the vendor that we already set on the product configuration under the purchase tab. And this quantity of 5 will fulfill or complete the units to have 15 on hand and sell it to our customer. So let's go ahead, confirm the order, receive the product, of course, validate, and go back to our delivery order. And here you can see now that the product is available because we purchased the 5 remaining quantities. So let's go ahead and validate. And now if I go back to my sale order, you can see that I delivered the 15 units. So going back to our product, here you can see the quantity on hand is 0. And I want now to introduce you to a new feature that goes with the MTO route, which is the reordering rules. So here basically in the reordering rules, we are telling Odoo when having a minimum on hand on stock to create a new order. And here we have 2 configurations. The minimum, this is like the minimum quantity to have on stock to generate the purchase order, and the maximum is like the maximum I want to have in my stock. So for example, I want to trigger a purchase order if I have 4 units or under 4 units. And also for the maximum, I will say that our store can't take more than 10 units, so it will be 10. For now, as you can see, Odoo calculates how many units to order. So now because we have 0 on hand, it will create a purchase order with 10 quantity to have the maximum of 10. But if I go back to my product and set manually an on-hand quantity of 3, for example, and go back to the reordering rule, So you can see now that we have the on-hand quantity is 3, the minimum is 4, so automatically we will trigger a purchase order. And now, because our maximum is just 10 units, so the quantity to order is 7, the difference between the 3 and 10. So I go ahead and trigger this purchase order manually. Basically, there is a scheduled action in Odoo that runs and creates automatically every purchase order needed. So for this demo, I will just go ahead and order it manually. As you can see here, a following replenishment order has been generated. This is a purchase order. If I go back to the purchase orders, you can see here the one generated with the quantity needed in the stock to fulfill the 10 units. So it's 7. Let's go ahead, confirm the order, receive product, and validate. And now, if I go back to my product, you can see now that we have 10 on-hand quantity, and this will be automatically updated once we are under 4 units on hand. So that's it for this video, and it's working also for the manufacturing. So it's the same thing. If we have a bill of material and a manufacturing order and everything, it will create a manufacturing order to manufacture that product and have the stock levels as you wish. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have any question, contact us on the links in the description. Thank you.